Hey, how you guys doing tonight? I'm going to use a Berkley 7-inch power worm. I fished yesterday out here. Got rained out about halfway through the trip, as you can see. It's I don't know, it rained for about an hour. I was about 45 minutes in, but I decided to come back tonight and finish the video up. I've got about an hour worth of light left, so yeah, let's get out here and see if we can catch the smallmouth. Oh yeah, there's something on it. There we go. Something had it, I knew it. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Yes! Come up here, boy. I knew there was gonna be something in there. So you can see that's a little waterfall, right? Not a waterfall, but a drop off right there. And then this is an eddy on the back side. Man, this dude is just in the current. Get up here, bud. Oh yes. Come on. Oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. Get up here. Oh yes. Nice little small jaw. Beautiful fish. Yeah, I can see you looking at me. Beautiful fish. Oh yeah, I knew there was another one on it. He was just gnawing it to pieces right there. Couldn't tell if it was a fish or if it was the bottom, honestly. Nice little rock bass. I feel like it was hitting gravel on the bottom there. Probably a 7 or 8 incher. There we go. Dirt right up against that tree right there to the left. This dude was just sitting on it. He hit that right when it hit the water. Oh yeah. Beautiful spotted bass. Yes. Beautiful spotted bass. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous fish. There we go. Sitting right there in front of me. Get over here, boy. Heck yes. Get up in here. Get up in here. Beautiful small jaw. Absolutely gorgeous fish. Now that one cast up in there, dude nailed it once right there, and then I just barely flipped it back out, and he nailed it again. All right, let's see if there's a fish right there. Boom. I knew that was one that picked it up. Oh yeah, baby. Yes. Get over here. Heck yes. Come on. Oh yeah. Yes. Oh yeah. Come on. That is a nice smallie. Haha. Yes. Beautiful smallmouth there, guys. Absolutely gorgeous fish. Let's get him back in the water. Oh yeah. That's one. There we go. Oh yeah. Get over here. Start swimming downstream on me. Beautiful. Heck yes, come on. Archie hook perfect too, right in the side of the jaw. Mm-hmm. Let's get him back in the water. Oh, yes. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Get back in there, bud. There's one, there's one, there's one. He's got it. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get out of that tree. Oh, yeah. Beautiful fish. A big old belly on him. That was a bite. Oh yeah. Let's catch him. Oh yeah. Yes. Yes. Ryan, we threw it in there. He actually headed on top of the water. This feels like a nice bass. Can't see him, but he feels nice. Goodness gracious, bud. Oh yeah. Oh yes, yes, yes. That's what I'm talking about. Wow, that was an awesome little short quick trip. I'm gonna end the video right there. I literally, between walking up and coming back, that was a total of 1 hour. And wow, I'm never gonna complain about catching smallmouth like that quick, especially being the first time I've ever fished it up through here. This makes my third total trip to the Hocking River here, and I am absolutely impressed. Those were some awesome smallmouth. So yeah, there's going to be a lot of content like this coming the rest of the summer, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it, and I'll see you next time.